Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol ZM Zoom. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. I'm not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, a rough way to start off the week here. Gap down and then really never looked back. Just constant bleeding throughout the course of the day, and some well-defined technical levels have now made themselves known here. So let's just hop right in. The first key level, that if there's going to be any sort of chance at all of a turnaround, it's looking like this 355 mark going to be a very important level. And this is just based off a foundational rule in charting, which states when levels of support. So let's first establish that this was indeed a level of support. And you can see quite a bit of the time today, the price was just bouncing right above that 355 mark. So it was indeed a level of support. So going back to that rule, when areas of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. So that is why that 355 mark is going to be important. So if the price does try to consolidate out and then work its way back upwards, that's where the big question mark now resides, is not necessarily can the price get up to 355, but more importantly, can the price get back up above it and then stay up above it. So keep a close eye on 355 moving forward as that initial area of resistance. If the price can push up through that area, next key level of resistance after that point will then be up there around 360. So 355, 360 key levels of support, or excuse me, of resistance. As far as levels of support are concerned, first key level is just simply where the bleeding stopped today, and that was down there at the 349 mark. And then if 349 cannot quite hold up, as you're seeing here, we are having to go way back into the charts history because it has been an extremely long time. Oh, wow. Since the price has been down around this area of the chart. There we go. I didn't realize it's been this long. So we are talking about multi-month lows here. But if 349 cannot quite hold, next key level after that, not until down around the 325 mark. So it definitely enters into potentially another phase of the chart that could bring, additional downside selling pressure. But not a great way to start off the week, but we'll see how this one continues to play out on the week. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.